everybody, and welcome to another Del's Jogs with Dogs. As you can see, I'm not just for running today, and what we're going to do is have a little bit of a throwback to days gone by when I actually did the Mary Barclay Scramble. This was done in 2015 with some friends. I'd not done scrambling for several years since leaving the UK, and I have to say that I don't quite have my scrambling legs these days. So take a look and see what you think. If you like what you're about to see, please comment in the section below, like the video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thanks everybody, take care and hope you enjoy.
Mary Barclay's mountain stands at just over 7,400 feet, or nearly 2,300 metres, and it's named after Mary Barclay, who opened the first youth hostel in Canada near Bragg Creek back in the 1930s. There are two ways to access the mountain. You can either start from the highway and take the shorter route by crossing the river, or you can drive a little further along the road to Troll Falls parking lot before running along the fairly flat forest trails for a few kilometres until reaching the trail that signifies the start of the climb. If my memory serves me correctly, the climb starts steeply with some bushwhacking through the trees and a little bit of rock climbing. On breaking through the tree line, the route turns to shale and you are treated to some incredible views of the valley below and the mountains stretching out into the distance. As you climb higher up the trail, the ridge does start to narrow and eventually the real scrambling starts. My friends Joanna and Jamie are experienced scramblers and they had no trouble whatsoever. But for me personally, there were definitely some hair-raising moments and jolly legs. What you're about to see is the raw footage taken from that day with minimal editing. The fear was real, the adrenaline rush was real, but afterwards I'd never felt so fantastic.
I love about this. I kind of, you know what I mean? That's what everyone craves, right? I'm alive! Get around this crazy bowler. Got it. Just make sure everywhere you're looking for is nice and smooth. But you're gonna have a crazy video and sweet pictures. Where do they take you? Yeah, lots of time. I kind of like being out here, so don't worry about it. Anything, because usually you just rush, right? Rush, rush, rush. Like this, the first one. You start out. So you're doing amazing. Got her. Okay. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, right? Same thing. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. It's really good views. Like, check out this valley too, right? Like, you're like, whoa. Oh, like the elevation. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah. Same here. There was a time where I really, really wanted to do it. Now I'm like, I'm good. Spanking? You got it. You're doing exactly right. Keep your weight back. Got her. Natural. Exactly how you do it. No, seriously. You're whizzing down it. rocks.